Welcome again. This is Maths time. Maths of 7th standard and chapter is indices. In first lecture, I taught you what is base and what is index. Another name for index is exponent. Okay. 3 raised to the power 4. This 3 is base and 4 is index or exponent or power. Okay. The second power of any number is the square of that number. 5 raised to the power 2 means the power of 5 is 2. We can say it's a square of 5. Square of 5. As same as the third power. Suppose there is a 5 raised to the power 3. The third power of any number is the cube of that number. 5 raised to the power 3, same number we can say cube of 5. It's a cube of 5. Okay. Now, we are going to learn the multiplication of the indices with the same base. What is multiplication of the indices with the same base? For example, 5 raised to the power 2 or 5 square multiplied by 5 raised to the power 7. Here, what is common? Base is same. If base is same, then we can take the addition of the indices like this. 5 raised to the power 2 plus 7. Why? Because base is same. Then directly you can take the addition of the power or addition of the indices. Therefore, what is answer? 5 raised to the power 9. One more. 1 upon 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 or cube. Okay, here again base is same. Then we can take the addition of indices. Therefore, 1 upon 2 raised to the power 8. That means what is the law? A raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n, then a raised to the power m plus n. This is the first law of indices. Isn't it? As same as about division. 5 or 7 raised to the power 9 divided by 7 raised to the power 4. Here base is same. Then we can take the subtraction of the indices. But when division is there, when division is there and bases are same, then directly we can take the subtraction of the indices. 7 raised to the power 5. 1 upon 4 raised to the power 5 divided by 1 upon 4 square is equal to 1 upon 4 raised to the power 5 minus 2. That is 1 upon 4 raised to the power 3. Isn't it? From this, we can write the second law of indices. A raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. But when m is greater than n, first power is greater than the second. Understood? You better understood. Thank you.